Hello there. Hope you're doing well today. So today we are going to cover or to talk about effective content marketing and how you can use it to generate leads and sales for your business. So let's start. So what is content marketing? So we define it with what, the how, the what, and also the end result. So the what, content marketing is actually a strategic marketing and business process. So underline strategic. It's not done anyhow. It has to follow a certain set of steps for it to be effective. Then the how it focuses on creating, distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. Underline those ones. So for it to be effective, you have to create the content, you have to distribute the content, and this content has to be relevant for one, it has to be valuable, and you have to do the whole process consistently. So the why, what is the main goal of all those steps? It is to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. So you want to attract them and you want to retain them, and this target audience has to be clearly defined, not just anyone. You have to define your target audience. So what's the end result? What's the main goal of all these? So this is to drive profitable customer action. Maybe subscription to your package, or if you sell a digital product, it can be maybe actually buying your product or service. It can be opting into your form. It can be following you, liking you, or maybe subscribing to your YouTube channel. All those are customer action, and now they have to be profitable, so you have to gain for it to make business sense. So next we look at how to use content marketing. First, you can use content marketing to attract the right people to your website, pages, and also your social media channels. Second, you can also use content marketing to convert visitors into leads. So once the visitors come to your social media channel or to your YouTube channel or maybe to your website, using content marketing, you can convert those visitors into leads. This can be the use of forms, the sign up forms. They opt in and then you take them through the next steps. So number three, you can also use content marketing to nurture the leads. So if you succeed in step two and have your visitors sign into your lead forms, then you can nurture. So what we mean is when a visitor opts into your form or maybe likes or follows you, they are actually a lead. So they become prospects. But for them to become customers, you have to nurture them. You have to continue providing value to them so that they can actually convert to paying customers. So number four, to convert leads into customers. So you can actually use content which can be in form of maybe emails, maybe it's free guides you're sending to them, basically to prompt them, to prompt them to take up your offer, to buy your product or your service. Number five, you can use content marketing also to turn the customers. If you have successfully done step four, so they're already your customers, you can use content to turn now your existing customers into promoters of your brand. So this is very powerful because you save a lot on advertising cost. If other people who know your brand, who have experienced your service or have used your product and they love it and they become promoters, this is where testimonials and reviews come in as a form of content. Yeah. So next we want to look at results of effective content marketing. So what does effective content marketing look like? Like, what are the results? It's actually a flow, like a stage. So the very first step or stage is you create a strong relationship with your audience. How do you do this? You continue sharing high quality content that provides value to them. You form a relationship with them. You actually they keep coming back the same way you say your YouTube subscribers, they keep coming back, to see what's new. So with that, over time you build trust. They actually believe what you say or what you tell them, the information that you share, because you've already established, or you've already built a strong relationship, so they're able to trust you. So, and once they trust you, they now go to the last step, which is now they convert. So they become your customers, they become your people, your following. So that is the goal, or rather, this is the stage, the three steps process of effective content marketing. So this is what you get. So that's it for today. If you like our content, or maybe specifically this video, kindly take a second to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.